So guys, I've come to a very important place and a very famous place here in all over the world. You remember the Slumdog Millionaire movie which was shooted over here on Dharavi slum, and the pipe which was shooted onto the movie was the main pipe which is supplied the water in Dharavi slum and also in other parts of the Mumbai. Guys, definitely I'm sure that you guys will get freaked out by seeing this situation here, but unfortunately this is real. But but Medidrop will definitely make sure to make all the people safe, and also Medidrop have a clear intention to send a clear message to our government that there are certain things that needs to be taken care of. So waterborne diseases are the main concern and problem. I'll just show you a view to get a proper idea and understanding about the situation of the water supply. Do you see there a do you see there a pipe? Yeah, so this is the pipe from where we are getting water supplied, but that's not look that good in condition, but this is a reality, guys, and I'll show you more and more water supply things here in Dharavi. So stay tuned with me, guys. So you can see, guys, a very clear picture of a water supply here in Dharavi. And this is not just a problem of Dharavi, the waterborne diseases, that we are not getting a very safe water. If you'll take that water onto the lab, then you'll get an idea like how much contaminated the waters are which is supplied here in Dharavi. And I will show you the other systems as well, but this is the pipe here where the Slumdog Millionaire movie was shooted, one of the very famous spots here. Evergreen spot, you can say, but unfortunately a sad reality of Mumbai and Dharavi. So Medidrop needs to take care of this whole situation in behalf of an Indian government and send a clear message to our government that things need to be taken care of. And I'll show you the other pipes in Dharavi, where very small pipes which is supplied the water in all the each and individual homes. So let's go for it. So guys, now I'm taking you inside the Dharavi slum residential area, and it's a time where we are getting the water supplied here in Dharavi slum. So you see this all small pipes. You see a bit sound, the water is running now, and this is a tap, and this is a tap here. Okay, so if you pull up the tap lever, then the water comes out. Okay, so the pipe goes like this on the top slum house. So I'll show you more pipes here from where we're getting the water. So you see this pipe, okay, and this pipe, and I'll show you more ones, and this is the another one. And this is another tap. Every home has their own tap here. You see the water is coming out. Okay, the water is coming out, and this is the pipe which is going down the home. And the crazy thing about this situation is that, guys, this is a wastewater drainage where slum people, where all we people are doing a toilet and a washroom, and is the main sewage, and the pipe is very close and nearby to the sewage. That is the reason that we are having a bad water supply. So Medidrop needs to donate a lots of tablets and lots of water purifier that will definitely save very precious lives of children are more often affected, and we are storing all the waters in such kinds of barrels. I'm really sorry, guys, that it doesn't seems very good quality of video, but it's well enough to understand about the situation here in Dharavi. Yeah, you got more clear picture now. This is a all pipe system, water system. So we get 3-hour water supply 1.5 hour in the morning and 1.5 hour in the evening time. So the real concern is this pipes is going down from the bad water drainage system, toilet and washroom waters. The pipe is like connected from there, so that is the reason that we are not having a good water supply. And I'm really very happy and proud to say that Medidrop is going to take care of this all situation here in Dharavi slum, and has come up with a great plan to serve all those precious life, to save their life. What's up? How are you guys? Okay, they are a bit shy, but I'll have some more awareness campaigns here in Dharavi slum with a huge Assalamu alaikum. और खाला कैसे हो? आज मैं शूट कर रहा हूँ मतलब पानी के बारे में। हम लोग मतलब अमेरिका में एक मेडीड्रॉप नाम की एक कंपनी है जो हम लोग को साफ पानी करने के लिए, हम लोग को पानी पीने का वाटर प्यूरीफायर आता ना, वो देगी। और हम लोग को जो है ना एक ऐसा एक टैबलेट देगी जो हम लोग डालेंगे ना, पानी एकदम साफ हो जाएगा, बीमारी नहीं आई लगेगी हम लोग के बच्चों को। तो अच्छा है कि नहीं? अच्छा है। और क्या बोलना चाहोगे तुम मेडीड्रॉप को?
क्या बोल रहा, अभी तू है तो मैं क्या बोलूं, बच्चा सामने है तो मैं क्या बोलूं?
वो तो है, मैं तो हमेशा हूँ इंशाल्लाह, और मैं मेहनत भी कर रहा हूँ। एक अमेरिकन कंपनी है जो गरीबों की मदद करना चाहती है, धारावी लोगों की मदद करना चाहती है, तो वो हमारा काम है। तो खुश हो ना आप? आपके भी घर पे लाके दूँ एक प्यूरीफायर? और ठीक है। सो गाइस, हाँ सब अच्छे। So guys, I've just taken a very small interview of a woman, and she's really very happy and excited about the Medidrop project here in Dharavi slum. And as I mentioned before that, I'll make some few awareness campaigns. ये वो पानी का। So few awareness campaign I'll run here, and we'll make sure to make this dream project. It's a dream project for me as a community representative working for past 15 years. This is my job to make Dharavi safer, and inshallah if Dharavi becomes disease free, and waterborne, these are the main diseases, then we'll also have some workings in other slums of Mumbai. We have hundreds of other slums in Mumbai, from where we can in like few days or maybe in few months we will make sure to get this thing rid of. And this is an apartment house, Tevar Suryada. In spite of being a very nice and very good apartment house here in Dharavi slum, I am staying in one of these apartments, but I can't afford to get a water purifier to save my kids getting diseases. Because it's a main problem and concern. If the Medidrop can give us a few donating purifier, and if they can make sure to get the purifier on a very less price, then I think we all can fight together with Medidrop to get things work great. Love you guys.